In this video, I'm going to discuss several ways you can make money with online courses. Coming up. So oftentimes when people talk about online courses, they are mainly thinking about creating an online course and then just selling it. But I'm going to share now tips on how you can really make a lot of money with online courses. So let's start with the very first example. And the very first example here is affiliate marketing. So if you really want to have an edge with affiliate marketing, you can do this by promoting some products and then giving away the course that teaches them how to use that product. So this is really amazing. This is what I've been doing. And if you've been watching some of my videos, you'll notice that I talk about this a lot. And that is, for example, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I give you access to my web design formula course, a course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. Now, why is this important? So the person that buys the product, of course, wants an easy way to get started and start using that particular product. So by you offering that course, it makes it easier for that buyer to then just start and just learn how to use that product right away. So it's a win-win situation because you, the affiliate guy, is getting money through the commissions, and also the person that has bought that product, or in this case Divi, is also getting a bonus of that course, which you'll get when you use the affiliate link. So this relationship is very powerful, and you can make a lot of money with doing it this way. Now, the question is, what sort of content do you need to create in order for you to achieve this? Well, your main tutorials or your main content that you need to create are just content that gives you a snippet to what the main product is. For example, you can create a tutorial or a how-to on, let's say, how to create a landing page using that product, which is in this case Divi. I'm using Divi here as an example. So by creating a short tutorial on how to create a landing page using Divi, you then say in your promotion, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, you get access to the course. So these tutorials now become sort of like your marketing or your promos for your affiliate link. And this is how you make this work. So there are also types of tutorials or type of videos that you need to do. And these, in my opinion, work really well on YouTube and sometimes on Facebook, but YouTube is my main platform. So that's the one I'll really talk about. So what you want to do is to do product reviews. So this doesn't necessarily mean that you have to do software related tutorials. This could be like, for example, cameras. So you could do a review on a camera, and then when people buy the camera using your affiliate link, you give them a course or an introduction course on how to use that camera. So that's one way you can approach that. And as I mentioned earlier on, this is really powerful. You can also do how-to tutorials, as I've just mentioned. The how-to tutorials are very powerful because they act as your promos to your main affiliate link. And also tips and tutorials work really well. So again, this could be software, this could be hardware. Just doing your tips and tutorials and then referring people to your affiliate link. This is how you'd make it work. Now let's move on to the next part, online courses. So with online courses, you can also create a membership website. So these membership websites are pretty much the model where you create the course, you promote it, and then people come to your website, they buy the course, and pretty much they just learn what is on your course. You give them access to that course, and pretty much that's how it works. Now, with this option, it makes it even more powerful if you were to create some live training to supplement what you have on that course. This just pretty much keeps your audience engaged or your students engaged. And also if there's updates, you can talk about the updates to the course or the software that you're training about. And this is what really makes this model really work when you create online courses. Now, out of this comes out even other opportunities. And these are opportunities like maybe you may have one-to-one training and you can charge extra for that, or you can do consulting. So these are the opportunities that come up when you set up this membership model. And also I forgot to mention that you can also do masterminds or group training and charge extras. So this can be done live, and nowadays you can see the power of Zoom and online training. It's really taken off, so you can incorporate that into your masterminds and also your one-to-one training. Now finally, online platforms. Now these here, to be honest, I'm not really an advocate of these because you don't have a lot of control with this. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I used to add my courses on Skillshare, and one day I just logged into my account and I saw that, my courses were all pretty much closed. I was just banned from the platform. Till this day, I don't even know what the reason is, but for some people, it can work for you. But if you are going to use these online platforms, I would highly recommend that you don't use this as your main source of income. Make sure you have other sources of income, and this just becomes one of those sources of income that you have when you add these courses onto online platforms. Now, the ones that I would really take a close look at are the YouTube membership. This is also great. People can come to your normal YouTube channel, but if you want to give them extra access to maybe advanced tutorials or advanced courses, you can have this behind a membership, and YouTube is able to do that. So I haven't really done this because I have a website, funnelstoincome.com, where I have a monthly membership. So having a monthly membership on my own website and then having it on YouTube, that's a bit too much. It may also cause confusion, but it may be something that I may be looking at in the future. So this is another way that you can do this. I've also mentioned Skillshare. Skillshare is quite popular out there. I think it's one of the most popular out there, to be honest. So you can put your courses there, and they are, short bite-sized lessons, which don't take a lot of time to put together, to be honest. So this is one way you could do this. There's also platforms like Udemy. You can add your courses on Udemy as well. But as I mentioned earlier on, you don't have control on these platforms because the platform owners can just change the pricing model, or they can ban your course or stop you from accessing the website, or they can even go bust. So pretty much, as I mentioned, you want to use this with caution and make sure it's not your main source of income. So if I were you, I would really focus on the main two ones that I've spoken about: affiliate marketing, where you create how-to tutorials and then promote your links in your short videos, your how-tos, your product reviews, or your tips and tutorials to your affiliate links, and then give them like a bonus, which will be a course, which then teaches them how to use those softwares or those products that you are promoting in your how-to videos. And as I mentioned, the membership model is great because this is your own website, which has your own courses, and you have full control. And in that, you can go in and update the course, do some live training and so on. But in my case, what I really lean towards is having the affiliate model and also having the membership model, where you have your own website that hosts your courses and also do some affiliate on the side. So the reason why I'm talking about this is it's really powerful because you're still creating courses anyway, so you might as well incorporate the affiliate marketing into it as well. So creating the courses itself is really, really powerful, and these are the ways that you can make even more money with the skills that you have and the skills that you add onto your online courses. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified every time you release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.